guys,
Welcome back to another video of Life Science
time. And today we are to do a small class experience.
Yeah, it's pretty classic.
You know that hot water can float on cold water?
Is you guys know that?
Yeah, where is the experience?
Oh, it's me. So I know how to make it already, so we know.
Yeah. So today we will try this experience here.
Well, first, we need a string.
String?
Ooh. So,
Yes.
yes, all of it is already good for us, so
Yeah, we have read something that
it's gonna work.
this bottle was not have enough to go deep.
Yeah, so we put a rock on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need the hot water.
And we need you will need a bottle of cold water,
Right here.
hot water.
And always know, be careful when you're using hot water.
Yeah. Coloring, food coloring.
Right here.
So the idea is to put coloring here with hot water. Then
yeah, so get the hot water. Get the hot water.
You will see the hot water red going both.
Okay, done.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it. And as you always know, be careful if you're using the oven. This water is really hot. Use the oven to do it.
Okay. The coloring. We need something to mix them.
No, we don't.
No?
Oh, it's good. Let's put it here. Let's watch.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. It's just flowing out.
Some water smoke inside. Cold water, hot smoke.
Wow, that is
Hot
so
water
cool.
always rises to the surface and floats on cold water underneath it.
Did you guys know that? Put it in the comments.
Yeah, sent us the mail.
Yeah.
We are showing this happening by making like a volcano erupt underwater and send up a rouge plume of smoke. It's like a red smoke. Can you get it?
Okay, yeah, I will.
Yeah, it works. It's a very simple
Bye, guys.
experience. Hot water on cold water.
Yeah, well, it's pretty cool. Well, that's our video for today.
Yeah.
And if it's good outside, go outside and play, or else go inside and be creative and watch army planes and play with your Legos. Bye.
See you next time.
Subscribe to our channel.
And wait a minute.
Wait a second. Come on, kitty. And this is my cat.
Volcano.
He's exploding out.
See you next time.